Kiumia kimwe mbere ya muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya kĩgĩna na mũmbunge wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Molo kũrĩa Kimani atemania watho wa kĩgĩna mbunge-inĩ nĩguo ũcirĩrĩrwo, ngwatanĩro ya Azimio Raila Odinga ihuhĩire ya mbunge ya ngwatanĩro ĩyo coro ĩkĩmoria maikare cemba nĩguo gũkagũithia ndereti ĩyo yarĩkia gũkinyio mbunge-inĩ.
We lay out our final objection to the revenue raising measures contained in the Financial Bill 2023. We also give final instructions to our members of parliament, after which, depending on how the Ruto administration behaves, this matter may take a very different turn.
Odinga augĩte akorwo watho ũcio nĩ ũkahĩtũkio nĩ ambunge, thirikari ĩharĩria kũng'ethanĩra na ũregani mũnene kuma kũrĩ arĩhi a magoti aingĩ arĩa nĩ akenya a gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ.
In the history of budget making in Kenya, no regime has imposed so many and so high taxes on our people in return for nothing except fantasies and fairy tales.
Ikireka-inĩ o rĩu ngwatanĩro ĩno yugĩte akorwo watho ũcio nĩ ũkũhĩtũkio ũrĩa ũrĩ, magavana nao nĩ mekũgĩa icoka cia gũthondeka watho wa kĩgĩna ũrĩa ũkũhinyĩrĩria arĩhi a magoti kaunti-inĩ amu mwana wa Ngarĩ akunyagwo tayo.
This is not the only finance bill. We are going to have other 47 finance bills from every county. And because the model is the same, and the principle is the same, and the alignment is Kenya Kwanza, and this is a philosophy, it means we now expect worse bills from the counties.
It is quite clear that Kenyans are on their own, and that this is a cruel and caring regime which does not care at all if Kenyans die of hunger, if children fail to go to school, or if people die because they cannot access medical services.
What is the point of building somebody a house and that person cannot feed themselves? Even if, and we argue, even if these people are built for houses, they will live in the streets with sufurias in their heads like us in Jubilee, and bakulis in their hands, because they will not have food. So where are your priorities? That is what we want to ask Mr. Ruto.
Mũtongoria wa arĩa anini mbunge-inĩ Opiyo Wandayi augĩte ngwatanĩro ya Azimio ndĩkwendekithia mogarũrũku o mothe watho-inĩ ũcio kuona nĩ ũregetwo nĩ akenya na gũtirĩ bata wa kwendekithia mogarũrũku icunjĩ-inĩ itiganĩte.
This bill is flawed beyond redemption. So we are going to reject it in total. We are not going to propose any amendment to it.
We are in a crisis, and we need to be able to accept that this is a crisis matter. And then, as my brother said, the conclusion was very clear. We give it to the public court.
Odinga anĩrĩire akorwo president nĩ akũnyũrũria mateta ma Kenya, ngwatanĩro ĩyo nĩ ĩgũkinyũkia ikinya rĩngĩ.
But we have agreed with our MPs on what to do. Vote against any tax rises. Should Ruto overrun the National Assembly, we will regroup and overrun him in the wider National Assembly of the whole people of Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.